Good morning, students. We are now going to continue with our exercise of your lesson, The Little Bully. And children, get ready with your book exercise page, which I told you that was your, if I remember, it was your 45. Am I right, children? So, have you opened your book to page number 45? This we have done, and we have done 45 till half, and I gave you, if you remember me, I gave you a little homework to do this grammar part, that is a B1. I stopped it till here. Now, I am going to discuss, let us see what you have written the answer in your book for this exercise, and when I am giving this exercise answer of this one, you are going to just check out whether what you have written is right or wrong. B1. So, you know now what we did in this, I made a column for you, the middle column with the answer as the heading, and we solved this exercise. Now, B, choose the appropriate adjectives from the bird and fill in the blanks. So, how you are going to do this, or how you did it as I left it over here, as dash as the sky. Sky कैसा है, see over here 4 words are given on the bird, one word is there on the bird's head. So, the sky is blue in color, am I right? So, as blue, hope you have written the same answer, as blue as the sky. I am not going to give this in writing, okay children, neither in PDF, neither in your textbook answers. Now, let us see B2, as dash as a feather. Feather कैसे होते हैं children? How the feathers are light. So, as L-I-G-H-T, as light as a feather. Then 3, as dash as eyes. Your eyes are hot or cold? Cold. So, as cold as ice. Then 4th one, as dash as a rock. Rock कैसा होता है? नरम होता है, सॉफ्ट होता है कि हार्ड होता है? हार्ड. As hard as a rock. So, we have completed our here this word over here, and it is your adjectives. तो ये कैसे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, यानी कि आपका जो कंपेयर कर रहे हैं एडजेक्टिव लेके, एज ब्लू एज द स्काई. तो स्काई का एडजेक्टिव क्या है, डिस्क्राइब कैसे कर रहे हैं? ब्लू से डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं विद अ कलर. देन फेदर किससे डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं कि फेदर लाइट है, सो लाइट इज एडजेक्टिव. कोल्ड किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? आइस को. सो द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड ऑफ योर नाउन, प्रोनाउन और एडजेक्टिव्स इज योर एडजेक्टिव. Then your rock is described with the word hard. So, hard is your adjective. Now, see what they are telling us to do in your C question. Circle the adjectives in the following paragraph. Let us read. One day, 2 farmers. Your farmer is your noun, and what is describing your farmer? It is your 2. So, circle this, because when a word describes a noun, it is your adjective. 2 is your adjective. One day, 2 farmers named Birju and Raju came to the magnificent palace of King Samrat. Magnificent. So, magnificent किसको describe कर रहा है? Palace को. Palace कैसा है? Very very beautiful, magnificent. तो ये magnificent is a describing word and it is describing a noun. It is the adjective. Raju said, where my cursor went, Raju said, Your Majesty, this is my friend Birju. I had given him some money before going to work. After returning from there, when I asked him to return my money, he is denying everything. तो अब आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस सेंटेंस में, इन दिस सेंटेंस, what is a noun and what is describing. So, here friend is a noun and Birju is also a noun, and what is describing, which word is describing in this sentence? It's your my. Noun को कौन describe कर रहा है? Which word? My friend, मेरा friend, possessive adjective. Okay, we will be learning these types of adjectives on our next page. I had given him some money. Money is your noun and your sum is describing that how much money is your sum money, यानी ये आपका quantity of adjective है, adjective, quantity adjective. So here some is your adjective. Before going to work, after returning from there, when I asked him to return my money, here my money, he is denying everything. तो ये जो है my is your adjective, my, he is denying. तो denying is your noun over here and क्या deny कर रहे हैं? Everything. Everything is your quantitative adjective. Now let's see, go to the next page and find out what they are telling us to read. Types of adjectives. So how many types of adjectives we have over here? It's your possessive adjective. Can you read this, children, the chart which is made for you on this page in colorful boxes? Okay, types of adjectives. Possessive adjectives, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. Let's see what these as an example in the sentence. Examples, possessive adjective किसको बोलते हैं? My pen is lying on the table. So here my is your possessive. Sorry children, excuse me. My is giving you the knowledge of your possessiveness. मेरा, मेरा ही है, तो हमारा, us, all these comes under your possessive adjective. Then here adjective of quality. Quality मतलब कैसा है वो, beautiful है, magnificent है. Okay, so here the rose is a beautiful flower. So beautiful is your what? Quality of adjective, adjective of quality. Then what do you mean by adjective of quantity? Quantity means आपको बताता है कि आपके पास वो थोड़ा है कि ज़्यादा है कि काफ़ी है वो आपके पास. So here enough is your quantity, few, enough, some, I have enough time to complete the work. Then adjective of number. Now what is this number? It's very easy to find out. There are 10 sweets in the box, 10, 20, 1. So these are your number adjective. And your demonstrative, these, those, that, जो बता रहा है, दर्शा रहा है. Okay, so these are your demonstrative adjective. Then your one more, it's your sixth over here, interrogative sentence adjective. Interrogative means when you have your question tag. So your question tag is here, which dress do you want? तो आपका dress जो है noun है, and which is your interrogative adjective. Sorry children, I'm yawning, just excuse me for it. Okay, now what they are telling us to do in this exercise. Circle 8 adjectives in the magic grid and write their kinds. You have to horn for the adjectives horizontally, vertically and diagonally. Now see, there are some bold letters you can see over here in this box to play with. So first, it's very easy to locate. Can you see over here? It's your honest. I am circling this word. Honest is your, it's what type of adjective it is. So you are going to write over here honest. I am not going to give everything, you are going to give, I will just do one or two. Honest, it's your quality, is giving what type of person is this honest person, honest man. Okay, so it is your quality. It's your adjective. I'll just write short form of adjective adj dot and of quality, quality, quality with a full stop. Then next is your, can you see over here? It's your, I had find out, it's a 5. Can you see children? F-I-V-E, 5. So it's what? Very easy to locate. Write 5 over here in your, this box you can use this area. Children, please use this area. I am not able to write over here, it's very small, but with your pencil you will be able to do it. So here I have to rub this, it's 5, I have written fine. Okay. So here we go. 5 and it is your, can you see over here, adjective of number, adj dot and of number. Number I am writing in short form, NO dot. You can also do so. Okay, what is over here? Which. Can you see the word which? It's your question tag word. My circling is not done properly, children. Just bear with me. Write which and the rest you are going to do it, children. Okay, WHICH, which, and it is your interrogative adjective. INTERRO, interrogative adjective. Adjective you can write with ADJ and dot. Dot means over here there are remaining letters in this word. That's over here remaining letters in this word. So, dot and remaining words are there in this word, and there are more letters in this word. So, I have put in NO dot. It is your short form of number. Okay, children. So, hope you will be completing this exercise on your own. You are going to send me your answer by writing your answers in this area. Can you see this area? You are going to do 1 or you can start over here, write 1 over here. You can write the name, the word honest, and then you are going to write the name over here. So, honest इधर दिख रहा है, आप इधर dash डाल के you can put a dash with your pencil and you can write over here adjective of, in your small handwriting, adjective of quality. Okay. Are you getting me, children? You will be able to write with your pencil. Now, come down, degree of comparison. What are the degrees of comparison? There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Now, see over here, when there is only one person or thing and there is no comparison, she is tall. तो वो जो tall है वो आपका positive है. Okay, let's turn your book to page, next page, children. And over here comparative means there are 2 persons. The 2 persons, when there are 2 persons or things and comparison is between the 2, example she is taller than me. तो जब then लग जाता है, always remember this is a new means this word is there for your comparative degree of adjective, you use your than over here. Then superlative, when there are more than 2 persons or things and the comparison is between more than 2 things, example she is the tallest girl in the class, यानी कि पूरे क्लास में वो ही एक लड़की tallest है, तो आपका यहाँ पर ये जो है superlative है. Okay, and see over here in superlative est is always added, and in here er is always added in comparing the 2 adjectives. So, let us see 2 nouns. Let us see when you are comparing the 2 persons or noun, you are using your adjective. So, you are going to use along with your adjective word, you are going to put er, and in your superlative you are going to use your est. It is very easy. Your exercise, Sumit has brought 3 baskets of separate to separate the 3 degrees of comparison. Help him to put things in the correct basket. So, here positive आपका जो मैंने बोला था est will be superlative. So, est word will be over here, saddest. Okay, children, I will just do 3. Then you have your higher, higher. Can you see over here? It is your than, higher than, the one mountain is higher than the other. So, here comparative it is higher. You are comparing comparison between 2 things or 2 persons. Yes, small, smaller, smallest. So, small will be your positive. Am I right, children? So, this way you are going to fill your other areas in the basket with the words which is given in this blue color box. Okay, children, I will stop over here. You can do this also. I will do one for you. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives given in the bracket. Seema is the dash swimmer in the school. यानी पूरी स्कूल में वो एक ही है जो बेस्ट है. ओके, इज द बेस्ट स्विमर इन द स्कूल. सो गुड का क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी द बेस्ट. ओके, सो द रेस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू डू. रोहन इज डैश देन विपिन, 2 पर्सन को कंपेयर हो रहा है तो देखो ER लगेगा. ओके, विद दिस वर्ड. देन वीनस इज द डैश प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. तो ये सब में ज़्यादा ही हॉट है तो EST लग जाएगा. then it is dash today than it was yesterday. तो आपका comparative हो रहा है. So you are going to put ER and this is a dash film, it is a positive, so you are going to use it as it is. Okay children, and again is the same exercise which you have done in our previous pages. You are going to use these words comparing with the swiftness, which word you are going to use for the swiftness, and which white is describing which noun, smooth is describing which noun, then big is describing which noun over here. So, you are going to take, and I will wind up my this video over here. We will continue of our next pages in our next video. Keep solving children, okay, and you are sending some queries to me. Children, please see your dictionary also. You have sent me some queries. Some students are having some doubts regarding my answer. So, I will be clearing your answers on the WhatsApp itself, but please children, you can see even for yourself the dictionary, open the dictionary and see the meaning of the words which you are having doubts. Thank you children, bye.